Yes, welcome to this income tax class. In this class, we are going to see that a question which was asked in the examination. This is a salary income. We are given with various informations for salary income, basic salary, various allowances, perquisites. Then we have to calculate gross salary and net salary. That is net salary in the sense taxable salary. Let us go one by one. The basic salary is given 10,000 rupees per month. Total amount comes to 1,20,000. DA is 40% on basic salary that we have to take. Please mind it carefully. For that DA, the entire amount is taken as enters into service benefit. So we have to take that total amount of DA given in the question. Sometimes you may be provided with one particular percentage as enters into service benefit. Like that, you are having the question. Accordingly, we have to take. In this question, DA is 12,000 rupees. On that, DA is 40%. On that, we have to take what the amount of DA we are having. That we have to take. Okay, DA is 1,20,000, 40% is enters into service benefits. Accordingly, we are taking. Then CCA, that you know very well. It is a fully taxable allowance, city compensatory. Then the third one is a children education allowance. You know very well the amount of a children education allowance is taxable, but you can claim the exemption. The total amount of education allowance is 400 rupees per month per child to the maximum of 3 children. Exemption amount is eligible as 100 rupees per month to the maximum of 2 children. That 100 rupees into 12 into 2, that you have to deduct. Transport allowance, if possible, you please put a mark on that. Transport allowance. Normally, transport allowance is fully taxable. Mind it carefully. For present assessment, transport allowance is fully taxable, whereas for handicapped assessees, it is exemption. Exemption you can claim. Okay, so in this, nothing as stated, so it is considered as fully taxable. Then, rent free accommodation, it is in which place you are having the rent free accommodation is given as big city. It is given as we are not given with the name of the city, but it is mentioned as city having population of 40 lakhs. So it is considered as a big city, and 15% of salary is taxable. How will you take the taxability for rent free accommodation? The condition says that basic salary, all taxable allowances, okay, other perquisites except RFA. In this case, basic salary, then taxable allowances or DASB, children education allowance, transport allowance. That amount comes to 2,02,000. 15% on the total of these things, that comes to 30,300. Straight away we have to take 15% of the salary for the purpose of RFA. Mind it carefully. Salary is not the straight total salary. Salary is for the purpose of RFA is 30,300 is taxable. We are not provided with any amount of that furniture, etc. So we have to take this 30,300 is taxable salary. Now we have considered all the things given in the question. Then the total of the salary, that is gross salary income, that comes to 2,25,900. This is the gross salary. Mind it carefully. For after gross salary, we have to apply the deductions under section 16 series. Mind it, here we have to take only section 16 series, not 80 series, section 16 series. What it says, section 16(1) is standard deduction, that comes to 50,000. Point number 2, section 16(2) is entertainment allowance. Nothing as stated in this question, so it is nil. Section 16(3) is deduction for professional tax. That is also not given in the question. So it is also nil. Then 2,25,900 minus standard deduction of 50,000. Total balance is 1,75,000 is chargeable salary, or also named as taxable salary. Okay, so please note, this amount of net salary or chargeable salary is taken for the total income. Okay, for the total income statement only this should goes to that total income statement. Accordingly we have to take. Okay.